Meaning of disclaim.
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 Disclaim. The word disclaim means to deny or renounce any claim, ownership, or responsibility for something. It is often used in legal contexts to protect oneself from liability or to make it clear that one is not associated with a particular statement or action. When someone disclaims something, they are essentially stating that they have no part in it and should not be held responsible. This term is commonly used in various legal documents such as contracts, agreements, and warranties to limit the responsibility of parties involved.